What's up, guys? Welcome to part 16 of the Nuzlock series. I'm pretty sure this is the semi-final of this series, and today is going to be an adventure and quite a challenge for us, because today we're going to be going to the graveyard. And not only are we going to the graveyard, but we also need to go to the circus, along with going to the edge of reality. This is going to be a tough one. I'm not actually sure I can do this one without dying, but we're gonna try. So buckle in, this is about to be fun. If you enjoyed this, then like, subscribe, get a snack, get some milk, and enjoy. Okay, we really need to get prepared for this. So, for the circus, there's that, giant lava ogre. We need to kill him. That's priority 1 for the graveyard. And then we also need to go in the circus and kill all the clowns in there, which is going to be pretty tough. Oh my god, I'm about to be down to 9.7. Oh, there we go. This is not enough ammo, honestly. We need more. And honestly, I think I have a bit of an idea of what I should do. I think, to be safe, we're gonna want... Okay, we're good here, so let's get out of here. Okay, I went to a public lobby and someone sold a lot of stuff, so we got some more money. We got 9.9 million, and we also bought a lot more stuff in this bag. We got MREs and revolver ammo, so I think we're pretty much ready for this. So let's just get into it. Let's go. I'm really scared, so pray. I must pray. Just pray for me. Not only do, but we also want to here, before we get our weapons ready. Oh wait, hold on. Get this thing. We don't really need this flashlight currently. And I know there's gonna be a zombie, so that's some mob we can kill. Okay. Okay. And we got this small mob. Okay. But I also know that there's that one ugly creature inside of the thing that's closed, whatever it's called. Not yet, at least. Okay, yeah. We'll need this key, because if you don't know, there should be a creature in this thing. Okay, you need to go away. Yeah. Dude, go. Oh, yep. Oh my god. There he is. No, wait, we need to kill him. Oh, he's... Okay, we just killed him. And we got a golden revolver. Let's use it. Oh my god! No! Back, you abominations. Honestly, I'm gonna get... I'm gonna use this golden revolver instead. Okay, so what we're doing here, we need to get these skulls, and I can't carry that much, but we need these skulls. I don't think a lot of people have been here, Probably a lot of people think that this place is poop, but what you need these skulls for, you gotta take them here and just toss them in here. Like in this fire. And we need to toss a lot more, and that will cause that ogre to spawn. Like, see, that's how much we've done. We need to get some more. So let's go do that. It's good that these things will give you ammo, like digging these coffins. Dodge and weave. We want to keep our distance from this thing. Oh! I just realized, what could have made... Could have brought broccolis, dude. Okay. We can take one more in there. Okay. 3, 2. Here he comes. There he is. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not ready for this. We just need to... Oh wait, we're actually doing a little bit on him already. Oh my god, awesome. Let's just keep our distance up here. Ooh! I'm not playing around, dude. I am not dying here. Okay, we hit him. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh my god, I'm stuck! 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 Okay. I made it out. I made it out. I'm alive. We're good. Oh, I'm so scared. Nope. No, my ammo. Okay, he's not focused on me right now. We have time. Wait, what? Where'd he go? Wait, hold up. Where'd he go? What? Yo, he was right here. Oh, there he is. What's he doing over here? Oh, God! Now where is he going? Oh. Oh. Doing pretty well. Wait, he can't regenerate, can he? I hope he can. No, he can. Okay, hold up. Let's get some zombies because we need some ammo. How much ammo does one zombie give once we get the ammo? And we're not even getting ammo. Hold up. We need to go dig in a coffin. Dude, get out. Oh my god. Hate these graves sometimes. Okay. Oh! Okay, let's go get him. Okay, yeah. All these zombies are like a good supply for ammo. Oh god, wait. We need to get some more ammo, dude. I don't know why this ammo won't reload itself. Oh, is it because it's... Oh, is it because it's the... Oh no, I have no ammo. This is not good. Absolutely not good. Oh, where you go? There he is. Wait, we need ammo. Okay. Oh my god! Come on, ammo. Do your thing. But We just got it. I'm just playing it safe right now. Okay, let's go. Okay, he's throwing a rock. We got a hit. We're doing well. We're doing really well. Oh my god. Okay, he's actually really bad at throwing rocks. We got a hit on him. Hi. Oh my god. That was close. You stupid zombies, dude. I hate how he's just chasing me. Honestly, I like it better when he's not focused. Let's go grab some ammo. This should be it, dude. This has to be it. Please, 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 please. Okay, I'm putting my trust into all this. Okay, get these zombies on. These are a ton of zombies. Oh god. Don't kill me, don't kill me. Okay, they didn't kill me. We did it! Yes! Oh my god, we did it! Yes! Oh, I'm so happy. That took me like 30-40 minutes, dude. Yes! My breakfast is probably so cold, dude. Oh, okay. I need to take a break, go get breakfast, and then we're gonna go into the circus. Yeah, we'll be back. Okay, guys. I rejoined the game, and shut up. And so we brought the space kid with us because he decided to join. Just look at him over there, just running like an idiot. Oh, where'd he go? Come up here, Space.
Whee!
Okay, yeah. So he's gonna come to circus with us because he felt like it, and it's gonna be more challenging because he can't die neither. So yeah, let's get into circus. Let's go. Oh,
wait, Ryan. Yeah. What's it called? The map that you can get like toys and stuff.
Biolab.
Yeah, Biolab. Somebody gave me a bag full of every single toy and every single golden toy.
Juicy gave me one of those.
Which one did he give you?
Both.
Okay. Where's the circus? Hold on. Should we get like shields?
I mean, I'm prepared.
How can you really die? You can't really die in the circus.
I mean, we have to fight the mom boss, so.
I have an idea. What if I bring a...
Just get a weapon,
gun?
get a flashlight. So, wait, a teleport gun is kind of genius.
What if the guy picks you up and then you just TP out?
Yeah, you know what? I'm actually gonna do that. Okay,
Of course you have the galaxy version.
Man, shut up. Alright, let's go. That is how I went out once.
Well, I made a video on that, so.
Oh, no, not that video. There was a whole nother one.
Oh, you died again to a landmine?
Well, I didn't die from it, that one, but I stepped on it and almost died. Well, I stepped on it and it blew up, but it didn't kill me. Oh. Over here.
Oh, it's over here?
It's funny because your name is the Space Kid, and space includes galaxies, but I have the galaxy stuff, and you got none of it.
Because I don't want to grind.
Yeah, nah, Space don't grind this game because he's trash. Okay, let's just go.
Hold up.
What? You got zombie space. Look at that.
He teleported out of his hands and he still pulled me in. Well,
So it doesn't look like it.
I gotta go.
What the scam, dude? Oh, he's dead. Watch somehow. Let's play some basketball. Ah! Well, doesn't look like we really want it. I'm getting rid of this teleporter, and I want my melee back. I guess we can keep these coins. I made a shot. See that? I'm awesome. Okay, let's just go in. Now, we already killed that one clown. I think when I saw that message in that thing, it said roamer. I think these all led to like secret codes, but I don't think they work anymore. Like, yeah, see, Tundra. I don't think those work. I feel so like I'm in it. Oh my god. What? How did you still capture me? I was on the ceiling. That ain't fair. Well, okay. Well, we're here. This should be easy. Ooh. We made it. Let's grab some coins. Okay, let's just go back to the circus. We'll be there in a second. In like 3, 2, 1, and boom. Okay, we're back. Let's just go back. Oh, bad timing. But at least we're big again. That's all that matters. Oh snap. Oh god. He might be after us. Okay. Oh, I knew it. I don't want to go in this place by myself, dude. Why did space have to die? I don't even think I've ever been in this place by myself. And my room is all dark. Let's grab this. No. Okay. Okay. Got it. Okay, flipped. You gotta find the square. This is how, like, you would learn your shapes, like, in, like, preschool. And I didn't even go to preschool. I went straight to kindergarten. And I learned my shapes way before that. Sorry if I'm bragging too much, like... Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now we got the daycare. This place is scary, dude. This is by far one of the scarier places. Where's that monster? Okay, there you go. Got him. Okay, we need to find the slide. Oh crap, dude. I don't like this music. Oh. We're making progress. Oh. Ouch, dude. There you are. That skeleton was like straight up Stranger Things, dude. We did it. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm ready. I'm excited. I ain't scared, man. Oh, did I just cheat the system? Oh, sorry, man. Not. Okay. Dude, come. You gotta give me a freaking chance. This is a bully type stuff. You're not giving me enough time. Or I'm just too slow. Oh, anything purple. Purple, purple. Okay. Okay, get that last purple. Yes! First game. First shape. That's it. Circle, 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 circle. Making me get 8 circles, dude. Brother. Oh, that was close. Ooh. There we go. Gave me some reasonable stuff. Where? Get it! Yes! Oh no, the music game. Okay. This was always the worst game. Oh, I'm doing it first try. Oh, okay. Maybe it's not that bad. I think I literally cheated the system because I shot 2 of his fingers off. I cheated the system. Awesome. Okay, still did it. Nice. Okay, if we're about to die, we have an MRE. We'll actually eat one right now, because why not? Okay. He's crushing his own zombies. My man here having to crash out. I mean, I did my homework. You should be proud of me. Yeah. I can first try this boss. This boss isn't that hard, by the way, guys. Okay, almost got it. Get the hand. Yo, why is your fingers in the ground? That's all I gotta do. Just get that last finger. Okay. Yes! Grab this. Oh god, get a pillow. Yeah, that's why you can't do this with 2 people. It only gives you 1 pillow. I'm hurt. Get up, okay. Oh god, okay, that's actually good. That's good, that's good, that's good. We got a chicken wing. I'm gonna take this. Okay, I'm getting salmonella. That was close. I'm just hopping around, grabbing nuts. What? Crap. We're getting hurt, but it's okay. We have health. We'll grab this just in case. Okay. We're actually beating him. Okay. Man, I'm getting fat. Oh god. Oh my god. I just wanted a chicken, that's all. Crap. Oh god, I'm about to die. Okay, no, I'm not. Oh. We're playing again? Oh! That stupid zombie moved it out of my hand. Or he tried to at least, dude. You absolute cheat zombies. Hate you. Ah! This doesn't even feel like Animal Company anymore. This is just insane. Oh my god! Yes! We did it! Oh my god, dude, we actually did it. Yes. Oh, that felt so good to do. I can finally get out of this place. Yes! Dude, this chicken is now my new microphone. I feel so happy that we actually did this. That was amazing, dude. And above that, we acquired Mom's chocolates. Absolute, oh. Sorry guys, I'm feeling fat. But dude, that was amazing. That was the semi-final, dude. Well, we did it. That was the semi-final of the Nuzlock series. Tomorrow is the final episode, and then this whole challenge will be over with. And I'm super excited about this tomorrow, because this is going to be the hardest and the longest one of them all. And, well, probably not, but, yeah. I'm very excited about this. Like and subscribe for it. And I hope you enjoyed. Like and sub again. Get the milk. Goodbye. We got 16 bullets. Be on the lookout for the final. Like and sub.